Hi, this is Paul with FensterTek in Calgary, Alberta. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install an aftermarket screen in one of our European vinyl windows. The screen comes from a company out of Ontario called FlexScreen. Let's get started. Let's first talk about what FlexScreen is. FlexScreen is an aftermarket product, has no clips. The screen itself has steel that has a memory to it. So no matter how you twist it, move it, it will always come back to its original position. So it allows it to get into any window, and you can twist it to get it inside, and then once it's in, it's locked. And it comes in all kinds of different sizes. They can make it to whatever window size you have or what your needs are. And again, very easy to work with, no clips at all required. So I'm going to be installing a flex screen in one of our PVC windows. Now I'm on the interior side of this PVC window. On the outer side of the window frame itself, there's a groove located all around. And that's where we have measured the screen to fit into this particular window. On the screen itself, the actual frame is about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch thick. The screen is located on one side, and then there's a gap on the inside. We always want to make sure that the screen is more to the outside. So when I install this screen, again, it's very easy to work with. It's just a matter of getting it in there, bending the frame to get it into the groove. And that's it. The screen is installed. You can still close your window. Still do tilt as normally with these European windows. And the screen is installed. So looking at the window from the outside now, you can actually see the flex screen is installed. The window closes up nicely up against the frame. Doesn't affect that at all. And again, from the inside, flex screen is nicely in place, and again, it doesn't affect the operation of the window at all. Now, removing the flex screen is also a very simple procedure. It's literally just a matter of kind of pushing on the screen. The frame will kind of bend inwards. You just need to grab it, bend your screen appropriately to pop it out of place, and the screen comes out. Very simple, and the frame comes right back to original position, so you never have to worry about damaging the frame. Okay, now looking at the window frame with the screen removed, you can see, as I mentioned earlier, there is a groove on the very outside of the window, and that is where the flex screen sits. So it's a very simple procedure, just a matter of getting your tape measure inside that groove, coming all the way across, taking a measurement to the inside, 970 millimeters, and then doing the same thing bottom to top. Then you're going to deduct out approximately 5 millimeters off of your measurement, or approximately 1/4 of an inch to maybe 3/8 max. That allows for a little bit of play on the screen itself. So that's all there is to install a flex screen in one of our European windows. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please be sure to check out our YouTube channel, FensterTek Limited Canada, to see our other videos that we posted online as well. I'll also have some information at the end of this video showing where you can order flex screens. Take care. Thank you.